getting better and better. I see a tree. Look at this. Oh boy, is your daddy going to have some work today? Slight assembly required? Look at that.
Little bear, let's see if we can get this right out.
Where are some of those things that were in the stock in the bag?
Yeah, in the crackers.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We need a knife.
Maybe that's what it is. You need a torch and a knife and a... I think it goes this way.
Jane, say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
I don't know. Papi has to figure it out. Look at it! Oh, we have to put the scientists to work. Oh, we've got a rocket scientist and a biochemist. And I'm doubly blessed.
Biochemistry.
I married one and gave birth to the other. Oh my goodness, what is this? What is this? Daddy, we need you.
I hope it disassembles.
It does. It disassembles in a million little pieces to go.